Hey guys, today we are going to make Thai grilled chicken. Okay, so this Thai chili sauce, I already pre-made the batch. Okay, it's one of my secret sauce. Okay, you can use this to stir fry mussels, small neck, sotong, okay, prawns, and if you have a steamed fish, you can just have a spoon over the steamed fish. Okay, this involves a lot of herbs. Okay, so it's really awesome sauce. Okay, so I marinate this with chicken wing overnight, okay, more than 24 hours, and then you can start grilling them. It's very easy. Okay, while you grill your chicken, you may want to coat it another layer, another time, brush it halfway there, you know. So yeah, there you go. Oh, smells like perfume. Okay, let's go. This sauce involves quite a few herbs: Thai basil, lemongrass, Kaffir leaf or lime leaf, small Thai green chili, small Thai red chili, fish sauce. All these you blend together.